Sun style, the youngest style created by Mr. Sun Lu Tang about 60 years ago, contains unique and powerful energy. This style is particularly effective for healing and improving relaxation. The smooth and natural movements enable you to experience the power of your inner energy.
Practicing Tai Chi following the essential principles will make us stronger from within and improve the balance of mind and body. Living in harmony within ourselves and with nature will give us a healthier and happier life. If we can put all the essential principles together and then put it into easy to learn forms, then we will gain the health benefit without years of practice. With these facts in mind, I start working with my medical and Tai Chi colleagues to create the Tai Chi for Health programs.
I think Tai Chi for Health program that I've done, you feel something much quicker. Many of the other forms you have to go for a long time. One, they're longer to learn, so interest can wane. But also you don't seem to get that powerful feeling as early as you do with, say, the Tai Chi for Arthritis program, where I think you start to feel the Chi quite early on and really feel it's doing something for you. So yeah, there's a much quicker return, I think, of benefit.
Professor Song has published several studies on the Tai Chi for Health programs.
Our team decided to do the randomized clinical trial because we do not know much about Tai Chi and we are not sure that if it works. So we want to control everything for our study to look at our outcome. At the end, well, not at the end, we were looking at in the middle of measurement and they already feel less pain, less stiffness, less difficulties in performing their daily activities. That was amazing and everybody was surprised to see that. And at the end of the study, which was in 3 months, their muscle strength was enhanced. So we were all excited about the result, and we published that in Journal of Rheumatology, 2003.
I think the Tai Chi for Health program just offers so many things to people. Obviously, there's a general health development, but there is this sense of confidence that if your balance is better, you feel safer. If you feel more in control of your body, you feel more confident going out. So taking Tai Chi for Health just seems to affect every aspect of a person's life, from their physical development to their emotional confidence. So it's just a fantastic array of benefits.
I used to go up the stairs on all fours and come down on my bottom. I was so bad. And gradually I improved to such a level that I thought, really, I could go for this and help other people. And that is what I've did, and gained my instructor certificate in Ireland, and it's completely changed my life. I no longer go up the stairs on all fours, my balance is better, and I can do the kick, which I'm very proud of.
Accident Compensation Corporation, known as ACC, is a New Zealand national government department. It has a no-fault policy and pays for any injuries incurred both at home and in the workplace. ACC has proactively sponsored Tai Chi classes across the country as medical studies show Tai Chi to be effective in preventing falls.
Obviously, falls are a huge cost to ACC. We are the National Compensation Corporation in New Zealand. They cost us, we estimate, $100 million a year. ACC fund a $2 million Tai Chi program annually, and the cost funds teachers around the country. We currently have around 230 classes nationwide, and approximately 6,000 older adults go through those classes annually. So we're funding a number of people to attend Tai Chi classes twice a week for 45 minutes to an hour for approximately 20 weeks. That's a course.
Tony Garcia, an IT professional, was incapacitated by multiple sclerosis 15 years ago. He has turned his disability into an ability by teaching Tai Chi to help himself and others.
Well, my neurologist is very happy and very supportive of Tai Chi. He came to a demonstration that I did for the Multiple Sclerosis Society, and they were very surprised to see me the way I was. So my neurologist supports me full-fledged. He recommends people that go to his office with multiple sclerosis to do Tai Chi, and he would call us to see if we can teach them Tai Chi.
My involvement with Tai Chi actually begins with my own personal journey and my own health. It's really saved my life. And I think that because it's done so much for me, I feel it's important to help others. I think we all are going to express a very deep concern when we realize that we are all going to face sickness, illness, and our own mortality, whether it's with our parents, with someone we love, or our children. It's something that Tai Chi really helps to manage the fears and the emotions. We are born with a wonderful sense of peace, inner peace. And when we practice Tai Chi, when we move in a way that we begin to stop worrying, we begin to reduce the anxiety, and the breathing is easy, almost like a child. We realize that we have this inherent peace inside, and that peace has its own force, it has its own intent, and it has its own strength. And when you discover that strength inside of you, it just gives you something that you can't get from the outside. And so much of health is based on happiness. We get to see the light go on from inside. As people have that moment of insight, that moment of awareness where they really begin to connect. And it's on the surface, they connect with the exercises.
As the evidence and people's interest in Tai Chi for Health grew, it culminated in the world's first international Tai Chi for Health conference. This was held in Seoul, South Korea in 2006. Professor Song, the chief coordinator of this conference.
Nobody can stop the science if Tai Chi intervention, Tai Chi exercise, Tai Chi itself, it starts to be grounded in science, then it will grow up. So nobody stopped that. But we have to be careful to show what we see through our scientific world method. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing to look at scientific method, apply that to see what is other effects, because it has so much potential, and we need to explore those effects each by each through that vigorous scientific method, and let others know about that potential effects.
Tai Chi has changed my life, and it can change yours too if you're willing to try it. Inquire through your local arthritis and diabetes association, doctors and other health professionals. Do spend some time to find out if a teacher is suitable for your needs. You can also go to my website for advice. Let Tai Chi be your road to health and harmony.